In today's fast-paced business environment, conducting meetings is a necessity to keep things moving forward. But let's face it, traditional meetings can be boring, unproductive, and a waste of valuable time. This is where Butter comes in, a video conferencing platform that provides a dynamic and engaging meeting experience for participants. Butter is designed to help users plan, host, and recap meetings that people actually want to attend. Butter is a video conferencing platform that lets you plan, host, and recap dynamic meetings people actually want to attend. Best for course creators, online coaches, and in remote teams. Alternative to Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. Butter's features and functionality are geared towards making meetings more effective and engaging. The platform offers HD video quality, screen sharing, and real-time collaboration tools that make it easy to discuss ideas, share files, and make decisions. With Butter, you can schedule meetings in advance, send meeting invites, and set reminders to keep everyone on the same page. Butter is not just another video conferencing tool. It's a complete meeting solution that helps you conduct productive meetings that drive results. Whether you are conducting a team meeting, sales presentation, or client meeting, Butter is a new video conferencing platform that allows you to plan, host, and recap dynamic meetings people actually want to attend. Businesses can use its meeting planner to create a plan of action that is specific to their team and their meeting. It allows them to instantly share this plan with others. Once the meeting has been hosted, it allows the host to see who's there, mute or unmute participants, and share agenda, notes, and screens. It also allows participants to watch their own video or audio replay, or use the app on the way home or to the office to review. Butter's comprehensive platform has been designed to deliver seamless and engaging virtual workshops, trainings, and meetings. With an agenda planner, delightful interactions, and integrated collaboration tools, Butter lets you focus on delivering high-quality content without worrying about juggling multiple tools. The Agenda Planner feature in Butter allows you to create a detailed plan for your virtual event, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and on schedule. With the ability to add various agenda items, assign time slots, and allocate speakers or presenters to each item, you can easily manage your event and ensure that all attendees stay on track. Butter also offers delightful interactions that make your virtual event more engaging and immersive. From customizable backgrounds to interactive polls and quizzes, Butter helps you create an interactive environment. Facilitating a team can be a daunting task. It involves managing various personalities, opinions, and ideas while keeping everyone on track towards a common goal. Often, team meetings can feel like snooze-fests, where everyone is disengaged and uninterested. This is where Butter comes in, a comprehensive facilitation tool designed to bring structure, energy, and joy to your meetings, workshops, and training sessions. Butter is a solution that puts all of your team's facilitation tools in one place. It simplifies the facilitation process and provides you with a centralized location to manage all your team's meetings, agendas, and notes. With Butter, you can easily create and share meeting agendas, record discussion points, and assign action items. You can also leverage Butter's tools to facilitate brainstorming sessions, prioritize ideas, and collaborate effectively with team members. Butter's user-friendly interface makes it easy to use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Butter is a video conferencing platform that lets you plan, host, and recap dynamic meetings people actually want to attend. With Butter, you'll be able to host video meetings that your team will actually want to attend. Use emoji reactions, sound effects, polls, flashcards, music, and GIFs to keep everyone engaged during the call. Thanks to hand-raising features, you can minimize interruptions and let the host know when someone has a question, comment, or idea to share. Butter makes it a breeze to host any virtual meeting, including workshops, training sessions, weekly stand-ups, and town halls. You'll be able to connect to Miro or Mural while running brainstorming sessions, design sprints, and retrospectives. Plus, your team can collaborate in Google Docs and watch YouTube without toggling between tons of browser tabs. Before every call, you can create a timebox-style agenda, set up meeting tools, and add private notes in advance. You can even preload tools like polls, breakouts, YouTube videos so you can easily access them during your meeting. With Butter, you'll be able to prepare breakout sessions in advance or create them during the meeting. Easily assign tasks, add tools, and create activities for breakout sessions, as well as observe every room without joining them. You'll also be able to manage help requests, monitor tasks, reshuffle groups, and broadcast messages to every room. Once the session is over, Butter will give you access to all the recordings, chat logs, and more. Butter gives you everything you need to plan, run, and recap meetings that people actually want to attend. Run more engaging sessions. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Butter today.